This weekend's a big weekend for the Section 80 project. This project was initiated back in 2008 timeframe, but it was really picked up some steam in 2019. Since then it's gone through several years of design and permitting with about 100 men and women working hard in this project for the last 2 years. There's 235 new structures in this project. The line runs from Cooper's Mills to Warren, Maine. The project starts with survey work and the wetlands get surveyed, the structures get staked out by survey engineers. Then the environmental crews come through, they lay down wooden mats, access roads, erosion controls, environmental protections. All the line work is completed, all the splicing is completed. We're performing protection and control checks now, and then we're shortly to energize the new line. This is a pooled transmission line, so it's got a reliability impact across the entire New England grid. Conductor size is important because as communities grow and people depend more on electricity, there's more needed, and then we can have more energy flow from one source to another. I feel good. Yeah, there's a lot of people, a lot of hardworking people on this job for the last couple of years. A sense of pride, absolutely.